That's good. Happy New Year, everyone. We have quite a few projects planned for 2023. A few of those projects are changing the transmission in Big Blue because, like me, it's broke. We will also be preparing to insulate the building. Another big goal is to add the fourth array to the solar system and hopefully more projects over the coming year. We appreciate everyone that has taken the time so far to join us on our adventure, and we look forward to a lot of fun and growth in 2023. My daughter says I have to say bye-bye. I also want to give a special thanks to my daughter Marina for her help and ideas making this video. That was her. Crap. Happy New Year, everyone. We appreciate every. I should probably shows in the viewership. Oh, did you get that? Oh crap, that's a decent blooper. Bleeper. I'll turn it into a bleeper. Speaking of which, just in case, do you have bleep noises? I don't think I like this. That wasn't my best idea. A few of those transmissions.